Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Thank you for joining me in my little corner of the internet where we talk all things planners, fountain pens, and fountain pen inks. And today I'm doing something that I haven't filmed in a few months now. It's a plan with me. So let's get started. This here is my Bujo Planner Passport cover, and I've got the Travelers Company airplane charm on here. And then I've got some plastic covers in here, but then I've got my Midori monthly spread in here, which is for my social media planning. And then I have here my Planner Monkey Co. notebook. And let's just open it up to the page that we're going to be planning in today. And the stickers I'm going to be using are from According to Allie. This is her memory keeping stickers, and these are in the mini size. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take my ruler, and this is a ruler. I think you can buy this as a crafting ruler on Amazon, but I purchased this from Michael's many years ago, and it's the pen that I use to draw out my lines here. So let's go ahead and do that. And I know I probably could have, oh no, I got dirt on it. I probably could have purchased a planner that was already dated, and that way I wouldn't have to draw in the lines or anything like that. But part of what I wanted to do for 2026 was use up what I have. And this notebook, I had started to use it in 2025, and I was maybe about a quarter of the way through, not even, like maybe 2 months into it. And then I decided to stop using it just because it wasn't adding too much to my day-to-day, but I also felt like it was really just something repetitive, and I wasn't getting any joy from doing it. So here we go. Okay, I'm going to cover up that little space there. I don't even know what that is. Did I get like ink on there? I'm going to cover up that space with a sticker. Perfect. All right, and this pen, I don't even remember where I got this pen from, but it's just a little gel pen. Okay, so now make sure I'm centered here. Let's go ahead and place some stickers down. Where do I want to put them, and what do I want to put where? I'm thinking I really like the camera, and I also like, now where are my tweezers here? I also like the fountain pen, but I feel like I'm going to put the fountain pen here to cover up that lovely stain. And then we've got the washi and the scissors, because I'm going to use some of these as well for my journal. So maybe if I do this or this, yeah, let's do it this way. And then I can place washi, maybe no, here. Yeah, actually, I'm going to place that with something else. Maybe these two together. Yeah, why not? Cute. And then I'm going to place something maybe here. I don't know. Because these corners look really cute, but I feel like I'm going to use them in my journal rather than in here. So maybe if I did, now this is bugging me. I wonder if I just did this. Ah, completely cover that. And then maybe, I almost don't know what I want to put here, because I don't want it to be too big. And already I'm like, you know what, let's just leave it. Let's just leave it, and the rest I can put in my journal. And there's Lucy. She's already barking upstairs. So here we go. I don't know if you can hear Lucy. But anyway, so I'm going to be using my Pilot Vanishing Point. This has an extra fine nib. And let me grab my pencil board. Or, yeah, wait, blotting paper. What's the date on Monday? The 9th? And it's Monday. So just writing in the dates here. And I've gotten so accustomed to doing this for my planner that it's not a big deal for me. But also I've found a lot of flexibility and freedom with this method of planning, that I don't have to stick to whatever format has been prescribed to me. I can basically play around with it and make it my own. And then down here, I'm going to do my habit tracking. So let's do the days of the week here. So Monday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And for those who ask, that R for Thursday is something that I have done since university. I don't know why they chose an R for Thursday, but since then it's just become a habit for me. So then my habit tracker, I keep track of all of the vitamins I take, listening to my audiobook, my nighttime routine, my no stationary spend, Duolingo, and my workouts. So I'm on week 4 of my program. Okay, so I'm just choosing which pens I'm going to use and which inks. I'm going to probably use my Aurora 88. This is inked with Herbin Rouille d'Encre, and then I will also use my Heinz pen, and this is inked with Fan Yanten Sakura Blizzard. I am so sorry if you can hear Lucy barking. My husband and my son just left, and she's probably at the back door barking at them, wondering where the heck they went. I now have Lucy sitting on my chair behind me. Okay, what am I doing? My work schedule. Okay, so this week is my usual work schedule. Nothing different. And it's like, if it doesn't change, why do I write it in here? I like being able to see it. And I mean, my Thursdays are an earlier start by half an hour. So it's just nice to see. And some people are like, I have nothing to write. All I do is go to work. Then write in your work schedule. And then what else is going on? I have to admit that I do keep track of things in my digital calendar as well, just so that if I haven't written it in my planner yet, then it's there in my digital planner. But also it's one that my husband looks at because he has access to my Google Calendar. Okay, so this coming week, oh, there's a few things. So let me just turn this a little bit here. On Tuesday at 7:30, it's basically a parent meeting for high school courses for my daughter. Wednesday, nothing. Thursday, I have a manicure. And then Friday, I am having dinner with my sister. And then I've got to pick up my parents at the airport. Do it like this. They've been gone for a month now. Just traveling, loving that life for them. And then Saturday, Lucy has grooming. And then Henry has volleyball. And then Sunday, I am meeting my friend Adrian, but I actually don't know what time we're meeting. I think we're meeting for dinner. Yeah, I think we're meeting for dinner. So I'm actually going to leave the time blank, and then I'm just going to say Adrian. Okay. Perfect. I know it feels very blank so far. Oh, where's my weather stamp? If you hear that squeaking, and that me playing around here, messing around my camera, that's me, sorry. There we go. Okay. So I'm opening up my weather app here. What did I just open up? No, I don't want freeform. I want weather. And opening up, yeah. Wow, this week is going to be up and down. And we're hitting -20 again. That sounds fun. And I was asked before, like, why do I keep track of the weather? Because it changes so much here. In the span of a week, we're going to go from like 4 degrees Celsius to Saturday as low as -20. So that is a big difference of about 24 degrees in the span of a week. So yeah, I want to keep track of weather. I mean, I do work from home, so not a huge deal, but I still want to keep track of it for, you know, my kids and if I have to drive anywhere. I thought Friday was supposed to snow. See, even that changes from the last time that I looked at the weather. So then temperature, where's my pen? Make sure I always put down the blotting paper so that I don't smudge. Yeah, -1 to -8, getting cold again. We're in that time period where what we call fake spring, where we'll have beautiful temperatures. Like on Wednesday, it goes up to 1 degree Celsius. And then, bam, winter will hit us again. -6 Celsius. I mean, -6 isn't bad and -12 isn't bad. But then come Friday, the high is -10 Celsius with a low of -16 Celsius. And then Saturday, the high is -10 with a low of -20. Lovely. And then Sunday, the high is -6. So my parents come back to lovely weather. -6, -18 is the low. Yeah, I love the combination of the colors with like the inks and the stickers. I think I chose really well. So let's get to writing my to-do list on each day. I'm going to turn this again here. So Monday is normally the day that I'll meal plan and order groceries. And then Tuesday is the day that we'll put out the garbage. I say we, but my husband. And then Wednesday, nothing on my usual to-do list, but then Thursday we pick up groceries. And this is actually also the day that I will do our bed linens. Nothing Friday, and then Saturday will be our cleaning day, so bathrooms. And my husband does the vacuuming and the windows. And then the kids help out as well. And I'm just looking at my filming schedule for the following week, trying to keep track of everything. And, oh, I need to, one of these 2 days, probably the Wednesday, film green and gold inks in time for St. Patrick's Day to honor half of my husband's heritage. He's half Irish. And, ooh, I have to film that collaboration. Probably do that on this Sunday. And then just looking at my list of things to do here. Oh, do I want to do it that day? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. Now, is that even right? I'm looking at also my notes and things, and sometimes it's right, and sometimes I'm like, I second guess myself as to, okay, no, we're good. We're good. Okay. So now that everything is written in there, I've got the weather, my to-do list, and then during the week, I fill it out as I go. Like, I'll show you this week. I really love how it turns out. And the thing is, it's not a ton of stuff that I put in here. And that's why I love this size of planner, because it's small. It keeps track of my work schedule and what the kids are going through, as well as, appointments and things in my to-do list. So this is perfect for me. Oh, I love those stickers. This is the pet tape from the Cat Collage Club stickers the washi from the washi tape shop, and more stickers from According to Allie. If you like these stickers from According to Allie, you can use my code Karina10 to get 10% off on these. And Allie just celebrated her 5-year shop anniversary, which is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Is that too big? Nah, never. Okay, perfect. Actually, that rounds it off really, really well. All right, that is it for my plan with me and basically setting up my planner for the week. I love the way that it looks. And what I normally do is I take one of these cute little clips, and I don't remember where they're from. My mom got me a bag of these from when they were in Japan, and now I cannot remember where she purchased them. But I love using them to basically be my little bookmark for my planner, because then I can just go straight here and open it. But also I have it opened up to the monthly section, which is what I need. Perfect. All right, that is now it for my plan with me. It's been so long since I've actually filmed it like this that I felt a little, off rhythm. But yeah, it's actually nice to be filming these again. Yeah. All right. I keep saying this. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know down below. Otherwise, thanks again. Don't forget to hit that like button and to subscribe, and have yourselves a great day.